The CoinStats app is a popular cryptocurrency portfolio management tool that allows you to track and manage your digital assets in real time. Here's how to use it. Download and install the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CoinStats. Download and install the app on your device. Create an account or sign in. Open the app and create an account by signing up with your email address, Google or Apple account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Add your wallets or exchange accounts. To track your crypto holdings, link your wallets or exchange accounts. CoinStats supports a wide range of wallets and exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, MetaMask, and many others. Tap on Add Wallet or Connect Exchange and follow the instructions. View your portfolio. After adding your wallets or exchanges, you can see an overview of your portfolio, including asset balances, current market prices, and historical performance. The app provides detailed charts and tracking for each cryptocurrency. Set alerts. Set price alerts for specific cryptocurrencies to receive notifications when prices reach your desired levels.